Electric bikes are known to be one of the most efficient and eco-friendly modes of transportation available today. They are fast, zero-emission, electric-powered bicycles that are great for both daily commute and leisure. Having an e-bicycle that has a powerful motor and long-lasting battery may not serve you well if it's not sufficiently fast to help you accomplish urgent tasks. Because time, as they say, is gold, we need a means of transportation capable, stylish, and fast enough to keep up with our daily needs. We know that it's not easy to find the best and fastest at the same time, so don't worry, because we've already listed down 10 of not only the fastest, but the best electric bikes you can ride legally anywhere in the United States today. Click the link in the description below to know more about electric bike classes and restrictions. You can also check out electricbikeparadise.com and buy your bikes from us at the lowest price guaranteed. Here are our top 10 fastest road-legal electric bikes. Hit the like and subscribe button for more content like this. 10. Ecotric Hammer Beach Snow Fat Tire Electric Bike. If you need a sturdy and long-lasting electric bike with a balance of contemporary and vintage look, then this is the one you're looking for. This e-bike houses a 1,000-watt rear hub motor that is efficient for traveling, even through rugged terrain. Its battery, having the capacity of 48-volt 13-amp-hour, can travel up to 35 miles, making this e-bike great for commuting and long rides. It's safe, comfortable, and brilliantly designed for off-road trails with its durable aluminum frame, stylish 26-inch spoked rims, and 4-inch fat tires. And by using the throttle exclusively, this e-bike can go as fast as 25 miles per hour. The Ecotric Hammer is excellent value for money and will give you the best riding experience. 9. Greenbike Electric Motion Big Dog Extreme. With its sleek design and posture, this e-bike comes with a 750-watt rear hub motor that provides adequate power and boosts for each pedal assist level. Its lithium-ion battery is a high energy density with a capacity of 48-volt 15.9 amp-hour. It has an estimated mile range of 25 to 50 miles to serve as a practical portable road bike. Leveled roads or steep hills are no problem because the 6-speed gear system from the Shimano is all you need to tackle them all. Relive the beauty of the city and countryside with the Greenbike Electric Motion Big Dog Extreme. Experience quick and hassle-free rides with a max speed of 28 miles per hour. 8. Rambo Rampage Full Suspension Fat Tire Electric Hunting Bike. If you're searching for an extreme performance electric hunting bike that is made up of only the highest quality materials, Rambo the Rampage has got your back. It's an all-in-one package hunting e-bike, and it's every hunter's dream. Having a perfectly robust 1,000-watt Bafang Ultra Drive motor, this e-bike can easily step up your game on the playing field. The Panasonic 48-volt 21-amp-hour battery of this hunting e-bike has a jaw-dropping range of 75 miles. Plus, it is a full suspension electric bike, so you can have all the confidence to ride through the roughest terrain and sandy beach without any discomfort. This e-bike is equipped with an 11-speed gear system that works together with a fantastic set of 3 sensors that gauge the speed and pedal sensor to give you matchless control and comfort. The Rambo Rampage will never come last with its max speed of 28 miles per hour. 7. Nakto Super Cruiser Fat Tire Electric Bike. This cool-looking e-bike shows off its 500-watt electric motor located inside the rear wheel that gives sufficient support to your every pedal. Explore city attractions and amusement parks without worrying about your battery running out of charge because this e-bike's 36-volt 12-amp-hour battery has a mile range of up to 35 miles. It is equipped with high-performance fat tires for more comfortable riding. Its stylish cruiser frame is made up of high-strength carbon steel that can last for several years. Fall in love with Nakto Super Cruiser's posh design and get ready to rock the roadways with its top speed of 28 miles per hour. 6. Revi Civi Bikes Cheetah Cafe Racer Fat Tire Electric Bike. If you're searching for an e-bike that will fulfill your classical taste for fashion and adventure, the Cheetah Cafe Racer's stunning vintage design will make heads turn wherever you go. Inside this prestigious fat tire electric bike is a 750-watt high-torque motor that is ever ready to give you the pedal assistance you need. Lightweight and long-lasting, its 48-volt 13-amp-hour battery lets you ride up to 40 miles per single charge, making it a very efficient road bike. Inspired by the cafe racer bikes of the 70s, its frame is built with resilient aluminum alloy that is tough enough to carry an amazing maximum load of 350 pounds. One of the most stylish speed pedelecs today, the Cheetah Cafe Racer is ready for a race with its top speed of 28 miles per hour. Loving the list so far? Remember to shop our selection at electricbikeparadise.com and use code FLASH5 to get 5% off your purchase. Now, let's get back to the video. 5. Greenbike Electric Motion Big Dog Off-Road. If you want a small-sized electric bike with a highly fashionable trait that is also seemingly good for both off-road adventures, then the Greenbike Electric Motion Big Dog Off-Road is exactly what you need. Smooth or rough, whatever trail you're into, this e-bike will never fail to deliver. It comes with a 750-watt Bafang hub motor that is strong enough to give you the extra boost you need. Its 48-volt 15.9-amp-hour battery has a maximum range of 50 miles. Since it's a folding e-bike with a very lightweight aluminum frame, storing and carrying it will never trouble you. Have the courage to brave any kind of road as fast as 28 miles per hour with this off-road electric bike. 4. Rambo Rebel Fat Tire Electric Hunting Bike. If striking design and incomparable specs are your primary goals, you'll surely want to try the Rambo Rebel Electric Hunting Bike. This is not your typical hunting bike. It has a powerful 1,000-watt Bafang mid-drive motor that gives you a tremendous amount of force whenever you take off. The Samsung 48-volt 21-amp-hour battery has a maximum range of 48 miles, so you won't have to worry about running out of charge in the middle of your hunting trip. This e-bike also comes with excellent stopping power Tektro hydraulic disc brakes and an 11-speed derailleur that provides you with a wider selection of speed ratios. Have a comfy and enjoyable ride even through the roughest terrain and most sandy beach with its Maxxis Minion front and rear tires, making your hunt faster and more efficient. The Rambo Rebel will help you catch your prey with its maximum speed of 28 miles per hour. 3. Eunorau Fat HD Fat Tire Electric Mountain Bike. If you have a basic taste for style but a high standard for quality and performance, the Eunorau Fat HD is a classic electric mountain bike that will surely satisfy all your needs. This is one of the most robust models in Eunorau's e-bike line. It proudly shows off its 1,000-watt mid-drive motor. The equipped 48-volt 15.6-amp-hour battery has a mile range of 40 miles that is great for long-distance trips. Traversing the mountains, roads, and grasslands will never be an issue since each of its Kenda Crusade Sport tires has K-Shield protection. Whenever you're in a rush, just hop in and let the Fat HD take you to your destination with its top speed of 28 miles per hour. 2. Rattan LF750 Fat Tire Electric Bike. If you're a student or an employee looking for an electric bike that will suit your budget while satisfying your transportation needs, the Rattan LF750 Fat Tire Electric Bike will fit you best. As a folding electric bike, it is an excellent choice for beating the city's heavy traffic. With its stunning 750-watt motor that provides an extra boost to your ride, you can now arrive at school and work without breaking a sweat. Its high-capacity 48-volt 13-amp-hour battery lets you travel a maximum distance of 60 to 80 miles, making it an excellent performing road bike. So if you're planning to go out of town or have an all-day city tour, this e-bike has got you covered. And when time is of the essence, you can always rely on the Rattan LF750's max speed of 32 miles per hour to take you to your destinations in just a blink of an eye. Number 1. Rattan LM750 Fat Tire Electric Bike. Do you want something easy to store and carry at the same time? If you're also after the speed, looks, and performance, the Rattan LM750 Watt Fat Tire Electric Bike is perfect for you. This one right here is a folding flat tire electric bike, having a frame that can be easily folded in just 3 steps. If performance is one of your primary concerns, this folding e-bike won't disappoint you because it is equipped with a 750-watt high-speed brushless motor that gives excellent assistance to your pedaling action. Its 48-volt 13-amp-hour battery has an impressive mile range of 70 to 90 miles. One of the main highlights of this e-bike is that it has the patent iPass technology that converts kinetic energy into power, making it 83% more efficient, almost 2 times greater than other e-bikes. The Rattan LM750 Watt Fat Tire Electric Bike tops our list because of its winning maximum assisted speed of 32 miles per hour. Listing down 10 of the fastest electric bikes was challenging, so we hope that we have made your decision-making process a little bit easier by narrowing down your choices to 10 and giving you the best e-bikes among the fastest. You can check the complete list down in the description below, but if you want a wider range of choices, you can always visit us at electricbikeparadise.com or call us directly at 800-590-2738. Our sales agents are available to talk from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As always, we ensure you the best quality and standard for the lowest price.